If you're experiencing FPS drops in The Sims 4, there are several steps you can take to enhance performance. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the Options menu, select Graphics, and reduce the quality of settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and visual effects. This can help improve performance significantly. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Updated drivers can improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources, leading to FPS drops. Use the Task Manager to end tasks that are not needed while playing. Step 4. Manage mods and custom content. If you use mods or custom content, consider removing or disabling them temporarily. Some mods may not be optimized and can cause performance issues. Test the game without them to see if FPS improves. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Adjust your computer's performance settings. On Windows, go to Control Panel, select System and Security, then System. Click on Advanced System Settings and under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance. This can help allocate more resources to the game. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing The Sims 4. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.